gorgeous end of the weekend. Going to be a little bit on the chilly side again tomorrow morning, but not as cold as this morning. We're talking mid-50s or so for the Treasure Coast and the upper 50s that may be hovering right around 60 degrees in the Palm Beaches. So a cool start, but it's going to turn mild in the afternoon. So although you may need the sweater or jacket in the morning, you're not going to need it in the afternoon. 77 degrees for a high. Beautiful out there. Still nothing but sunshine. Gorgeous. Not as cold at night. Again, 62. Tuesday, 79 degrees, so almost 80. Some areas will hit 80 degrees. Another cold front coming on Wednesday will bring the temperatures down once again. A chilly day expected on Thursday with highs only in the upper 60s and lows in the 40s and 50s again, and we stay cool for a couple of days. As we go into next weekend, we'll start to increase those rain chances.